motherfucker. Who is this? And once you become that being, once you always find the possibility. Bro, I want to give you one tip about your life. भाई कभी भी जिंदगी में ना no as an answer नहीं लेना, क्योंकि तुझे समझना चाहिए एक चीज, अगर वो बंदा इंसान है ना, that's it. There is a little bit of dilution you can add in his or her mind. That's all. तू अगर सोच रहा है ना कि वो रोबोट है, then it can be no. Unless you're a great hacker, unless you know a little bit hack, still you don't take no as an answer. You don't take impossibility as a limitation in your mind, and you stop yourself. There is no such thing no exists. Guru, no hota hi nahi hai. It is something that you create in your mind. You know, yes means you opened it. You find a way. जब तू ना as an answer लेता है, तू बोलता है कि गुरु ये चीज़ impossible है, I cannot do it, then it means you cannot do it, क्योंकि तूने वो चीज़ माइंड में बना ली और तूने वही रियलिटी कंस्ट्रक्ट की अपने माइंड में थ्रू अ लिमिटेड माइंडसेट, और फिर कल को तेरे को लिमिटेड चीज़ें मिलेंगी. वो बोलते हैं ना गुरु, कुछ लोग राज करने के लिए होते हैं और कुछ सिर्फ काम करने के लिए होते हैं. इट्स 100% ट्रू मैन. कुछ लोग सिर्फ काम करना चाहते हैं. दे डोंट हैव दैट माइंडसेट, दे डोंट हैव दैट अबंडेंस नेचर दैट दे कैन अट्रैक्ट एवरीथिंग. You know, bro, Genghis Khan, man, somewhere in the Mongolia, bro, 15th century, I don't know, 15th century, at a long time back, 500 years back, an average guy with no fucking great bloodline, he made his way by himself, because he was looking when nobody else was looking. You know, उस time अगर तुझे राज करना होता था, तो एक ही था गुरु, कि तेरे mom dad, तेरी you know bloodline में वो aristocrat होना चाहिए, so you can actually rule. But that guy was built different. That's it. You become unreasonable. You change the law, what they have provided you, what they have ingrained in you, and you change it, and then you get it, whatever the fuck you want in your life. He build himself. You know, he built his empire, China to Europe, by himself, Guru. अगर वो सोचता कि गुरु हाँ जैसा मतलब आज का लॉ चल रहा है वैसा ही मेरी जिंदगी होगी, तो वो एक नॉर्मल इंसान की तरह मर जाता. But now you call him a Genghis Khan. That's the difference, bro. You know, always strive for the abundance. Don't take no as an understand it. There's always a possibility of bending. There's always a possibility of finding the loophole. Once you find the loophole, then you eventually become one of the greatest beings on the planet Earth. Then everybody fucking gonna remember you. Who is this motherfucker? Who is this? And once you become that being, once you always find the possibility, once you don't take no as an answer, and you find your way, you figure it out, and you become one of the most powerful machine that this planet ever gonna fucking see, bro. And if you wanna be that, then you need to understand कि गुरु तो अपनी reality खुद बुनता है, no कभी answer लेता ही नहीं है, and you become a machine. Take care, brother. That's all.